welcome to a new video here in JS Education. My name is Carlos Santana, and this is the video number 28 for the course Developing a Headless CMS with TypeScript and GraphQL. So let's start. This video is gonna be short, so let's start. So the first thing we need to do is update our packages with ncu-u on front end and back end. And remember that you should install the versions you are seeing on my terminal. So for example, these ones, when you see like a red change, that means it's a major change. So probably this can cause to break the site, right? So we need to be careful when we are installing like new versions like this. Okay, so the first change we need to do is on front end, source, dashboard, components, content, create, and then you need to open index. Okay, so in here we need to add a new state right here for is modal open, and then we need to create a method to handle that new model that we will create, handle AfterCreateOrEditEntryModal. And we need to display that once we save data correctly. So at this point, we need to execute that method, and you need to pass that value into system fields like this. Okay, so now you need to go to system fields index, and in here we need to add redirection from fogg-utils. We need to import our model AfterCreateOrEditEntryModal. You need to include also the constants content link, create entry link, and edit entry link. On the props, we need now to receive is modal open. So we need to import is modal open and also the router. We will need it. Then here, before the return, we need to create some links. So for example, the edit URL is gonna be edit entry link with the router. And then we are going to, probably this is going to change maybe on the next video, or probably not. I'm not sure just yet, but for now we are going to keep this link like this. So basically this is gonna be like edit model the /post / the ID of the value. For now we will keep it like this, but I was thinking that probably that can change in the next video. So for now let's keep it like that. And then you need to render, you need to render the model right here. And then what's next? We control the open, we control the on close. The position of the model is going to be centered, the width 620. It's going to have an alert, an action, sorry, depends on the alert. If it's saved, the action is going to be saved or otherwise published. And we are going to pass these three methods that basically are going to be our redirections. Like once you create a new entry, the model will say, oh, you created this entry successfully. What do you want to do next? You want to edit the same entry, create a new one, or go to the list? So that's why we need three redirections there. And finally, your model is gonna be models, and then you need to create after create or edit modal tsx. Okay, and let's copy that part. Okay, so in here basically is like all the other model that we have created. In here our model is going to have this text you, and then the action is saved or published, like you saved correctly your entry or you published correctly your entry. What do you want to do next? And then we will have three buttons: continue editing this entry, and we have some icon there. Create a new entry, we are going to have a different icon there, and go to entries list. So that's pretty much what we need to do. So let's give it a try. Okay, so let's open our dashboard. Then let's log it in. Okay, I have the blog, and then models post. Okay, after create or edit entry model. Let me see if I named that correctly. Okay, I have it after create or edit model, but it's after create or edit entry model. So that's the difference. Yeah, okay. So now should work. So now if we go to the content editing and we create a new entry, let's say my post 3 for any content, any author, I'm going to save. So once I save, I'm going to get this model, what's next? You save correctly your entry, what do you want to do next? And then I can click continue editing this entry, which is not going to work right now because we haven't enabled the edition right now. It's going to be for next video. Create new entry or go to list entry. So if we click create new entry, it's going to clean all the forms, and then we will be able to create a new content or a new entry. If I click published, then we are going to get, oh, you published correctly your entry, what do you want to do next? And the same. And then we can go to the entry list, for example, and we can see this. In the next video, we are going to do the edit part. So right now is just for this model. So that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Remember that if you have any question, you can join our Slack community. The link is on the description. Also, if you like those videos, please help me to share the videos with your friends. Also, subscribe to this new channel. We are started growing, so that's good. So that's it. Thank you so much for your time, and see you in the next video. Bye.